All right, yo, what's good? Monday morning, 2 wins today. I'm gonna go over my trades real quick. I took 2 trades in the morning, and let me just show you real quick what my mindset was with what I was looking at. All right, so let me check this one right here. So I was looking at, I was I'm trying to pass this trade on TradeZilla. I'm trying to pass this. I'm trying to pass this challenge. It's leveled up challenge, and I got up kind of early. 4, 8, I think 4:30. I was already looking here, right? And I saw the market went up, came down, was holding this level here, came up, bounced here, and I saw an entry. I could have my first entry, right? I'm on the 1 minute. So my first entry, I saw that this was a big push to the upside, right here, big push to the upside, right? And then I saw this kind of like coming back, like a nice pattern, right? Like a retrace. I thought the retracement was done and it was going to continue, but it went up, came back. I thought it was going to continue, but it didn't. So I saw, look, the volume wasn't there yet. It was 9 o'clock, so it wasn't even there. It wasn't even open yet. I like to wait to ride like 9 o'clock to right before it open, to really make a decision. What I saw was that I kind of changed things up a bit as far as like seeing other time areas. Okay, so I saw this, boom, went up, retrace, pushed up, and I thought it was gonna end with the retrace, but it continued. And you can see on the 5 minute time frame, it's a little better structure here. This shows better. Boom, right? These were the big dogs stepped in, helped push it even higher, retraced, came back up. I had my level marked up to here because of the past time frames, but I saw momentum slow down, so I just exited. I was at a 2.47, but here, going back to this play, it was right before the retracement, and I made my stop losses bigger. I saw this area, and this area. So I come up, hold this area, seeing this is another area of resistance, but then look at this top, and this top. That's what I based my play on. So I put it here. I put my stop right around here. Since I saw it lose momentum, I just exited. I made like a quick hundo, whatever, right? It was just a couple seconds. But so the next play I took, it says I did a 2.1 R, 2.14 R, which is cool. I'm happy with that. So I'll show you what I saw. Let me see if this loaded again. Let me just reload this. Okay. The second play, see, I saw these levels here, and I had this marked off in the higher time frames, where I decided to go below that, right? I could have done like a fucking, could have been greedy. Out there, got a 3, whatever, right? But I didn't want to risk it. So I just did it at that. But if you see here, it came, boom, wanted to push up, fake people out. So I was like, okay, I got out. I was like, nah, that looks too good to be true. So I got out, but I knew it was gonna flip. Just cause look, there was high volume here, kind of chilled, and it was steady. It was just steady, right? Steadily rising. And the greens kind of came back, let the reds do their thing, and then once this popped up, once it started going high, I was like, oh, okay, time to look. So I placed this order already before. So I placed it here. I marked this level off. I placed it here right above this, just to be sure, because look, it tested that area. So I right above that, I put my take profit to this level, where it's still going. The trade is still valid, bro. The trade is still valid in that area. It could still touch that level, but look, that's like, almost all day, whatever. So um this was a great play. I am really glad I did my stop that much. It's a 10 point stop and closed at a 25 point. So that closed around here. Yeah, I closed around here. When the market was coming back, I was seeing it. I was just like seeing it come back. It went up, came back, boom, I closed. Could have waited more, but hey, it didn't go back up till. And I remember I moved my stop loss too. I moved my stop loss. Oh shit. I moved my stop loss closer. So when it hit a 1R, which it was pretty fast. It hit a 1R probably around here. Right when I hit around here, it came back. So right when it hit a 1R, I moved my stop. I moved my stop loss to about here. To about, yeah, about there. So I moved my stop loss to about here. About, below this one right here. Because it was like to resistance, turn support, right? See? To this candle. So this area, I moved it up to here. And then once it moved up again, I moved it up again. I think to here, to this area. And then that's when I closed out. It could have been a little more. But remember, trailing the stops, that's no issue. Look at where the price is now. The price is up there. Look, let's see where that. Let's see where that's at. See, so 3.75. 3.75. It's a clean play. That's what I was seeing. So I saw it push up. I saw it retrace. Saw where it was gonna retrace. It was gonna pick up right there because one, market was gonna open and keep continuing with the trend with volume, and it was at a key level where it had to go up. That level that I marked up, it was previous session high, so it should still reach there. Once the wick started getting smaller and the candle started getting smaller, even though the volume is pre-market, then for sure, and same thing. Look, boom. Now now the downtrend was just bigger and bigger, and now it's just consolidating. I knew it was gonna consolidate here. It's consolidating here. Look at this. See, it's an uptrend. Asia, London, and then boom, little last wave, jump, consolidating. But it's ranging. There's still money to be made here. Don't get me wrong. It's not as fast as this, but look, boom, double tops here, triple tops. Boom, come down, go up, come down. Boom, below that to another level. Boom, below that to another level. Boom, double top, and then just this was clean. Look, 3 tops right here, and then look at this level. Market came down, tested that level, tested that bottom level, and it was just bouncing. Try to keep pushing. It built up steam here, higher high. It's higher highs now. So it's back at this. It's back trading around this level. So if it could stay above this level, it could keep going up, but who knows, right? But yeah, as far as the play that I saw, let me draw that out. Let me use my trackpad. So what I saw was the market trending. Boom, came down, pushed up crazy. 8 o'clock, I saw that push, and I was like, oh, okay, let me wait for the retrace. But see, I saw how it was gonna go up there, but it didn't. Came back down, and then I got in at a good time, and boom. If I didn't have that placed already, like a pre pending order, I would have missed it. But again, I had my stops below this level because this level was a support from resistance. So a resistance level was trying to break above. It did, came back, tested it, and turned it into support. It was resisting from it going up, then it came back down, tested, supported the level, came back down, supported, and then once it tested that level, that's where I got in. 329, I got in. Where did I get in? 5638. 5638 right here, which was above this. You know, I could have gotten lower, but I didn't. Got in there. Once it was a conservative play. Yeah, it was conservative, but it was still a good play. Still a good play. So I'm happy with it. Could have gotten a little lower. Look at this. Right when I saw that turn engulfing, my pending order was already valid. So it was up here. Yeah, it was up here. So I was like, boom, and engulfed this little area. And it was good, man. I was happy with it. Once it came up, this candle, the candles, see, the candle was like, oh, it was weak. It was a weak candle, so I just decided to get out. Yeah. See, it started right here, boom. And once it didn't like go up quick and have no big candles like down here, I was like, okay, it's losing steam, so I just got out. That's what I saw. Boom, a lot of volume. Came back down, and then look at this volume. It was losing volume, so I was like, oh, okay, it's either gonna reverse, retrace, consolidate, or whatever. Or it might even keep pushing to the upside, but they probably got a lot of people here too. Boom, go up, retrace, boom, nope. So this area is solid. Look how long it took for it to. It's still at this area. See, look how long it took for it to break this area right here, up here. 670. Right, 670. It's fucking 1 o'clock, 1:30. Had this level marked off. Breaks. Could. Yeah, that's another story. But this is I love this stuff. This is so interesting because this is like a book. These charts are like languages, so it takes time to learn another language. And why not learn a language that makes you money? Look, this trade took me 9:30 to 9:40. 10 minutes, bro, from making my day in 8 hours plus to making it in 10 minutes. Grateful, bro. Grateful. And yes, it is a challenge account. It is. I'm not getting payouts yet, but just look at the potential. That's like 1,200. You know what I mean? 1,200 already, and to start the week off, start the month off, whatever. You know, I'm grateful. And these are my stats. Look, my stats.